Oops. All right, here we go. Probably you heard about the name Deepseek. What the hell is Deepseek and why everybody is talking about? Probably on the internet or news outlets you've been hearing this name over and over and probably not really understanding why this has been so impacting. For context, Deepseek was developed by a Chinese company, which is not even their main business, but they developed an AI model called Deepseek and made it free and open source. Why this is so important and so insane? First of all, Deepseek AI model has a similar or even better performance in terms of the AI models created by OpenAI. Imagine you invested billions of dollars into development of AI in the US, and then China comes along and just show you, wait a minute, maybe you all have all of these restrictions in not allowing us to have access to these chips. We're gonna find a way of making the software and the development of AI models cheaper and faster. And that's what happened, and made it very affordable and accessible to everyone. Because when you say open source, you hear the term open source, it means they make the code available and they make a very massive documentation explaining what they have done and how they have done it. And the reason that this is crazy is because it impacts the US market and makes Silicon Valley very on the tip of their toes. And the reason this happened is pretty much because they already poured billions of dollars to try to create, innovate, and expand. And it's really, really expensive. Over $100 million just to come up with a new AI model. And then bam, Deepseek comes and shows that than less than $6 million, it's possible to do the same or even better. So this is gonna pretty much disrupt companies because all of those restrictions and limitations and high costs are gonna start coming down more and more. For instance, I'm a founder of an AI company. It's a tiny company still a tiny micro SaaS, but as us developers or companies, we know how expensive it is to use AI models that are for multi-models or image generation. Every time a user sends a prompt, it generates something called tokens, and these tokens are sent, and then they receive a response. This process is what it becomes costly for companies and for the end customer. But with these new changes that Deepseek came with and making AI affordable and accessible, it literally breaks and disrupts the way that we think that AI development should be done. So if you want to follow for more, stay tuned. I'm going to be posting more about the upcoming news and events on Deepseek. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to keep you updated. See you in the next one. By the way, before I forget, please don't forget to follow and subscribe. And yeah, stay tuned. Pretty much going to post way more content about AI because I'm pretty excited about it. Yeah, see you in the next one.